Cord length around 2.5 meters. Material high-quality PVC, copper, metal. Operating voltage 12 volts DC amp, 40A power relay, 40A blade fuse. Package contains wiring harness and switch. Wattage. The maximum wattage of this wiring harness can bear is 200 W. Length. Around 2.5 meters. Color. Black material. High-quality PVC, copper, metal. The higher working temperature. 105 universal plug-and-play wiring harness with on-off switch. Professionally assembled wiring loom suitable for driving lights. The on-off switch is press-button type with adhesive backing for easy mounting. This is a convenience way to wire your driving lights. Package contains only one set. Wiring harness switch good for replacement fog lamps, add-on fog lights, HID lights, LED daytime running lights, driving lights, LED work lights. Bar. Off-road lighting kit features universal fit, easy to install, work with many lighting applications, good for any system between 9 volts to 16 volts. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly on my 2018 4Runner. I purchased this harness to go along with the rigid horselight bar on my 2018 4Runner. Worked perfectly. I eventually changed out the switch for an OEM style. So far it has handled everything I have thrown at it, including snow, rain and prolonged high temps.